I would say the College of Ag's always been running in my blood. Growing up around FFA ever since I was a little kid, it kind of first sparked my interest in agriculture. And the reason I ended up coming to the UK is because both my parents are UK grads. My sister graduated from here, my brother came here for a little bit. Whenever I kind of applied to college, I really didn't apply anywhere else but the University of Kentucky. My name is Jackson Baird. I'm currently a senior, double majoring in agricultural economics as well as communication. I grew up on a small dairy and beef farm in Taylorsville, Kentucky, and am on campus currently serving as the student government, student body vice president, as well as I'm involved in Dance Blue, previously serving as the vice president of recruitment for both Alpha Gamma Rho and the Interfraternity Council, and I'm a member of the agricultural economics quiz ball team. Looking back over the 4 years, it's really just been such a surreal experience. It's really went by quick. And I just hope that when I leave that somebody at least had a better day once because of me. And that was kind of our big thing in student government this year was if we can change one person's day for the better, if we can make one student's life just a little bit easier, then we were successful. The Martin-Gatton CAFE just really made it possible for me to find my footing, get close with professors, especially in the Ag Econ department, and really just find my place on this university really quick and be able to start experiencing leadership roles as quick as I could once I got here. I remember seeing the seniors, even though they were 4 years older than me, whether it be in student government, my fraternity, just in the ag college in general, I always just saw people and were like, oh, I'm never gonna be able to be in that spot. But now I really understand what my passions are, especially in agriculture. I've just been able to really understand more what I really want. And just continuing to get involved, believe in yourself is the most important thing because you really, at the end of the day, can do it. And just continuing to do what you enjoy and growing yourself is the most important thing to get there.